grow quickly, smart teams use artificial intelligence marketing. In this video, you'll discover the 17 best AI marketing tools used by some of the world's most well-known brands today. Google, IBM, and Airbnb, among others, are using AI marketing tools to gain a competitive advantage. I've discovered and will be providing some of the best AI softwares on the market today. The invention of AI software has irreversibly altered the art of marketing. Hundreds of these tools have emerged in recent years, making it difficult to determine which will provide the best value. It's critical to focus on what you want your AI marketing tool to accomplish. So let's begin by defining what artificial intelligence is, particularly what it can do for your business. What is the purpose of AI in marketing? Marketing is all about data, information on your competitors, marketing trends, and what your consumers or potential customers are saying about your product. There's a lot of information available, but it is difficult to find in some cases. AI simplifies this process significantly, cutting out the manual work on your side. It accomplishes what would be difficult to accomplish by hand and at scale in a timely manner. Now, instead of having to spend 2 weeks trying to find your data, you can do it in a matter of moments. Positive and negative product reviews can be accumulated using technologies such as sentiment analysis. Competitor intelligence can keep you informed about what your competitors are doing. Thus, better targeting can increase the ROI of your marketing campaigns. There are even AI-powered systems for writing creative copy, which can help you keep up with the internet's never-ending demand for content. In turn, help with your SEO optimization as well, so you can rank higher on Google and YouTube search if that's how you're deciding to market to your customers to grow your business. You will almost certainly use more than one AI-powered software solution. Indeed, most data manipulation tools now leverage machine learning and automation to achieve impressive results at scale. In this list of the best AI-driven apps and platforms, I'll explain what each one does, what its benefits are, and any limitations it may have. The creators of Jasper, the most well-known of AI-powered copywriting systems, quickly became victims of their own success. After they had over 350,000 users, Marvel sent them a cease and desist letter. Their AI was previously known as Jarvis after Tony Stark's virtual assistant. As a result, Jasper was reborn. The human writer must reluctantly admit that Jasper is remarkably good at creating copy in a variety of tones and styles on any topic you can throw at it. According to its creators, it has read 10% of the internet. How well does Jasper function, you might be thinking? I asked Jasper to write 40 words about AI in business automation using its free trial, and it produced the following results. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the next step in business automation. AI has aided in the improvement of business processes. AI can be applied to a company's business process for a specific strategic goal, such as increasing effectiveness, lowering costs, or improving customer service. This is a good start, but you will need human intervention to understand the flow of copy, and you may run into some repetition. Jasper's natural language processing is perhaps best viewed as a tool for creating early drafts for human copywriters to polish later. It's not the final product, it's just a small, easy outline that you can use later to enhance your copywriting skills if you have nowhere to start. It has an easy-to-use dashboard, it is inexpensive to implement, and will undoubtedly speed up the content creation process, which this is all we're looking to do is save time and why you should subscribe to the channel. Jasper, which has over 5,000 five-star product reviews, will now transform you into Tulski, but will keep those important SEO page scores high. Surfer SEO is a content optimization tool that assists you in creating copy for search engine ranking. An important goal for any content strategy while you're writing, Surfer evaluates and scores the content based on keyword density, reliability length, header use, and other factors that help content rank higher. To begin using Surfer SEO, select your domain, niche, and target audience. The system will then provide you with the actionable insights by highlighting top-ranking keywords, recommending a content outline structure, and even drafting image density for your piece. Surfer SEO has its own text editor, so you can work directly on it, or a copy and paste feature for quick analysis. The SEO of your work will improve in real time as you edit it, which is Crazy to think, you guys. And C, integration with your content marketing tools such as Jasper, WordPress, Google Docs, and others are available. Surfer SEO guarantees to meet your organic growth metrics for Google search, and clients who have used their services including FedEx, Shopify, Qantas, and Viacom. Wow, I love you. FullStory defines digital experiences as a journey a site visitor takes from the first visit to conversion or dismissal. They make the important point that you can learn a lot from the unexpected actions of users that could not have been predicted. To make this level of insight possible, FullStory employed an AI to track every cursor move, click, and page visit across the visitor's journey to create their story. This can then be compared to the stories of thousands of other visitors to gain insights. As I said at the beginning of this video, it's all about data, you guys. The more data you acquire, the better you can target your customers, hence creating more money for you and your business. FullStory uses AI automation processing power and scalability to discover opportunities and errors much faster than a human observer ever could. FullStory claims that users will save money, retain more customers, and significantly improve the UX of their site. Gap, Zipcar, Icelandar, and Forbes are among the current clients using FullStory. Writer.com. First and foremost, Writer has secured a high-value URL indicating lofty goals. Their platform is positioned as a writer's assistant for marketing teams. Writer is a collaborative efficiency tool that turbocharges some of the features of traditional text editor like Word. Autocorrect, autocomplete, grammar and clarity checks, and frequently used snippets to paste in are among the features. A suite of intelligence tools includes the database of approved terminologies is also available to help maintain house style, vital for tech, legal, and financial firms. Their AI is gentle, sitting in the background, making recommendations rather than rewriting entire paragraphs. When you have a virtual or hybrid team that works with little in-person supervision, AI Writer could provide you with the assurance you need that your copy remains professional and accurate across all uses. Deloitte, Accenture, Twitter, and Vistaprint are among the clients that are using this currently. Zapier is the Lego of technology stack and process integration. You can use it to create connections and marketing automation between thousands of different systems, save time, increase efficiency, and lower costs. You create customized workflows to connect actions in one system to automate processes in another, each time the relevant data is retrieved from the current location. These automations can be created without coding, and templates are available to help. Zapier calls it automation zaps, and it currently has over 3,000 integrations. You can even create branching workflows based on logical criteria. Behind the scenes, AI is interpreting signals that trigger processes at the speed and efficiency that no human team could match. Clients love how much time these zaps save them, and it's all about saving time, you guys. That's the only resource that is finite. There is also great support such as a blog, webinars, and online no-code community and Zapper's University for training. Hemingway app. Even if you use human writers to create your copy, AI can assist in editing it for maximum readability and clarity. Humans always miss things, AIs, they kind of don't. Hemingway, named after a famously sparing writer, emphasized aspects of poor style such as an overlong sentence, passive voice, and excessive adverb use. Hemingway also assigned a readability score based on U.S. academic grades. Grade 9 or lower is considered ideal for reaching the greatest number of people. It's funny how we need to use simpler words to reach more people. We don't need to sound smart. We need to sound kind of dumber to be able to communicate better with others. It's a weird thing in marketing and in general. You don't need to simplify your words like that. I don't need to do that. Instead, it's just we need to keep our words simple. It's extremely simple to use. Simply copy and paste your text into an online app and press return. Best of all, it's completely free. Ben and Adam Long created the app in the style of their favorite author. Although a $20 version with PDF exports, online usability, and instant publish features is available, the free version is still extremely useful. However, a perfectly optimized Hemingway piece may feel overly simplistic for some purposes, such as an annual report, white pages, opinion pieces, and other types of writing where personal style triumphs raw readability. This is the whole thing with all this AI. You have to know when to use it versus when not to use it. These tools are just for helping you save time when you're in a pinch or you're wanting to accelerate your business. Grammarly, like Hemingway, will analyze your content 4 ways to improve it. Unlike Hemingway, it makes fewer assumptions about style and instead focuses on traditional rules and syntaxes of grammar. Grammarly allows you to use it well in a variety of apps, including Gmail, Word, Twitter, Facebook, and others because of its Google Chrome extension. Its AI will highlight errors and suggest corrections which you can accept or reject. Grammarly can detect redundant words, inconsistencies in style, and often alternate word choices going beyond simple grammar and punctuation. There's a free and a paid version that you can use. I use the free version right now because it does the job for me. It works by highlighting in color coding errors or potential improvements, much like Hemingway, and is featured in prestigious publications such as the Wall Street Journal, New York Times, and Forbes. Chatbots are here to stay, whether you think of them as virtual AI assistants or an annoying nuisance. Of course, the usefulness of a chatbot is determined by how it is built, which is where Chatfuel comes in. Rather than purchasing an off-the-shelf solution, the platform allows you to design your own virtual personality with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Same thing with ClickFunnels, which I can make a video on ClickFunnels as well if you'd like to. It's a way to sell a product online using funnels, which some people say they aren't as prevalent nowadays, but really just kind of depends on who you're talking to, because clearly they still work because Russell Brunson's still doing advertising. Topic for another video. Chatfuel's bots are remarkably good at interpreting even misspelled and non-grammatical responses. Whether you're looking to replace a mundane FAQ page or drive potential leads down the funnel by offering discount codes, the AI here performs extensive linguistic processing and can easily identify keywords that elicit appropriate and helpful responses. They're an official partner of Meta, also known as Facebook, which should give you some peace of mind that their AI is top-notch. You know Zucks, he's not going to skimp on a simple AI. Userbot may appear to be just another chatbot at first glance, but is far more intelligent than that. When Userbot is unable to praise a customer query, it transfers control to a human operator while continuing to monitor and learn the remainder of the conversation. Userbot then applies what it has learned to improve and incorporate the new user query into its repertoire. As a result, Userbot should become more intuitive and effective over time, though you may still need to rely on human operators when first implementing it. When I asked, "Who are you? Who are your top clients?" it was unable to provide a meaningful response. The system provides useful customer data that you can use to evaluate the performance of your sales team and customer support department. It also integrates with many popular CRM platforms. Advertising is inherently hit or miss, or was before the invention of AI. Albert scales personalization and optimization for ad content across social media and paid search platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Google Ads, Bing, and a couple of others that you're probably already aware of. Albert refers to their methodology as data-provided creativity, and founder Shanae believes, and I'm sorry I butchered his name, believes in using artificial intelligence and automation to free up human creativity to create campaigns that connect on the human level. Albert.ai serves as a testing and tweaking laboratory for campaigns designed to capitalize on previously unseen channel opportunities, unanticipated demographics, or new markets. It contributes to making ad campaigns more relevant and less wasteful. Crabtree and Everly, Telenor, and Harley-Davidson are among Albert's supporters, also known as clients. The latter saw a 5-fold increase in site traffic and a staggering 2,930% increase in monthly leads. Imagine how much that could help you grow your business. Headlime is an AI-powered content creation system that aims to master the art of the landing page. Landing page copy is critical because it serves as a digital storefront. Headlime uses machine learning to help predict and complete text you type, potentially saving significant time. It is powered by the deep learning abilities of ChatGPT-3 and OpenAI, which I have a video you can check out on ChatGPT right here. It recommends high-performing subject lines, optimized word count, and can write copy in a variety of tones and languages. It can write blog content like Jasper, but it also integrates with a simple landing page builder so you don't have to copy, paste all the time. Most importantly, it is always focused on the task at hand, which is optimizing time on page and conversions. You could have the global landing page up and running in no time with over 1,700 copy templates and 11 languages. Browse AI Competitive Intelligence (CI) is one of the most potent weapons in the arsenal of digital marketing. It allows you to evaluate competitors' brands as well as identify new trends, pricing strategies, reviews, and product launches. To do CI at scale, you must use data scrapping, which involves using algorithms, also known as spiders, or bots, to crawl competitors' sites and extract useful data. It's a little trick in the marketing world that very few people are using right now. Browser AI enables you to quickly train a bot to source data for you, automatically populating a spreadsheet with all the information you require. As I previously stated a couple of times, it's all about data and marketing. You got to know where the data's at, where the customers are, and what they're buying to be able to provide them what they need. For example, you could instruct it to look for 1 or 2 star reviews of competitors' products in order to identify potential product improvements, or to check the current price of similar products on e-commerce sites. That's a mouthful. The creators of Browse claim that the AI can mimic human behavior in order to fool CAPTCHA other bot spotting protectors. Over 2,500 companies use this product, including Adobe, Amazon, Salesforce, and HubSpot. Search fields can be extremely useful or extremely frustrating. Rather than inserting a Power by Google field, why not create your own custom search engine? This is what Algolia enables, which is why it's so popular with entertainment companies and e-commerce businesses with large inventories. The less time visitors have to waste scanning your catalog, the more likely they are to purchase from you. Create your own search field to help your customers find exactly what they're looking for in record time. Staples, Gymshark, NBC Universal, and many other competitors have already integrated Algolia into their sales portals. PhotoRoom is a design tool that uses AI and machine learning to identify and separate the subject of a portrait from the background. A lot of the iPhones do this now too, which I don't know if you guys knew about that, but it's pretty cool to see. You can do it with any photo really, with the subject in it, and then it just removes the background. Really cool trick. Here's a useful and free specialist tool that selectively removes the background of any photo, leaving the human subject highlighted on a transparent background that you can use in other graphics. I tried it with several of my own photos and it worked flawlessly. Instead of me having to go to Photoshop and manually remove the background, happens with the click of a button now. While it used to take a designer 10 minutes to define the outline of an image, PhotoRoom does it in seconds. You can use any color background you want. It's a godsend for anyone tasked with creating a Meet the Team page or an avatar to use in multiple places. There is a premium batch version as well as a mobile app. Reply.io's AI Sales Email Assistant. Another job that can quickly become repetitive and labor-intensive is creating standard email responses. Reply.io's AI Sales Email Assistant aims to alleviate some of the tedium. However, it describes itself as a sales engine platform and has many different use cases. While the conversion rate for email marketing campaigns may be as low as 1.22%, when scaled up, this can translate into a large number of promising leads. Imagine $1 million or 1 million leads that you're sending the information over to. 1.22% of a million. It's pretty good. You'll need an AI-powered email assistant like Reply.io to make the most of this technology, which can be fully automated. Create cold email drip campaigns across multiple channels and reply with automated responses using AI-powered response scoring to identify potential leads. To track the progress of your campaigns, there are numerous CRM integrations and predictive analytic tools available. Where do you begin if you want to find out how your brand is being mentioned on the internet? Brand24 searches news sites, social media, blogs, forums, videos, and other sites for your names mentioned. It then employs sentiment analysis to identify conversation topics as well as the underlying emotions of reviewers and users. You can respond quickly to criticism and intervene with customer support issues, increasing customer retention and potentially detecting flaws in products and services before they become a crisis. Brand24 will highlight problematic mentions and positive reviews while weeding out irrelevant information much more effectively than Google keyword search. There's an excellent hashtag trend spotting feature, as well as an excellent customer support, including blogs and masterclasses to help you improve your marketing strategies and customer service skills. Uber, Stanford University, and Intel are among the current clients. The use of influencers in social media marketing has been a significant trend in recent years and shows no sign of stopping. Social media influencers are big business for brands, especially those aimed at niche or younger demographics. Whether it hauls product reviews, sponsorships, or traditional advertising, Influencity bills itself as the market's most competitive influencer marketing platform and is used by competitors like WPP, Kellogg's, and Samsung. It assists brands in assessing and contacting influencers, collaborating on campaigns, and tracking their effectiveness. Every major social media platform is covered. This is a great agency solution because it has a lot of status and the ability to work at scale across multiple brands and platforms. Artificial intelligence powered marketing is here to stay, whether you like it or not, so you might as well jump on while you can. Given the numerous advertising that AI algorithms can provide, scalability, reach, efficiency, cost savings, decision-making, analytic power, improved customer experience, and so on, it is clear that we are still at the very beginning of this AI technology revolution. Marketers now have access to more exciting tools than ever before, allowing even the smallest startup to compete for global success alongside the most established brands. It's a different world that we're living in, guys, and I want to help you do the exact same things that I'm doing because I find this so fascinating with how technology is nowadays. That's why I make the videos, so make sure you subscribe. Many of the tools have freemium versions, so be open-minded and give them a shot. They may become your best friend for future marketing efforts and money-making methods.